Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this series we are talking about the analysis of the 8 IPL teams participating in Dream 11 IPL 2020 to be held at the UAE. Well, in this series we talk about each and every IPL team's analysis, analyzing their whole squad, taking out their strengths, their weaknesses, the key players for them, and obviously we will be providing you with the best 11 of each and every team at the end of this series. Well, already we have analyzed three teams, that is the Chennai Super Kings, the Delhi Capitals and the Kings 11 Punjab respectively. And now we are going to analyze the fourth team. Guys, if you do like my channel, do subscribe it and stay tuned with us for more and more such videos on IPL, cricket and sporting events throughout the globe. So guys, without any further ado, we should now get started. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the fourth team that we are going to analyze today in the Vivo IPL 2020 gaming analysis is the two times IPL champions, the Kolkata Knight Riders. The Kolkata Knight Riders have been one of the most better franchises in the IPL history. They have been a huge fan following base, and have always been successful in the tournament. They are the third successful team in the tournament after Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians. Not only that, they are also the two times IPL winners in 2012 and 2014 respectively. During these first few years of the IPL, KKR did not have much success, but as soon as the captaincy was handed over to Gautam Gambhir, he instrumentally changed the shape of the team and led the team to two victories in 2012 and 2014. So guys, we will be now having a look at the IPL 2020 team for KKR. KKR have used much of their money this year and have brought some quite good players, and they will be obviously featuring in the top 11 of the team, and they will be looking to get a good year. Andre Russell, this man doesn't need any explanation. Brutal hitter, best all-rounder, the key man for the Kolkata Knight Riders this year. Their coaching tank is comprised of ex-KKR players, including the likes of Martin McCullum and Abhishek Nair. Nair has been with the team for the past 1 year and will be looking to shape up his skills this year and make KKR team a grand success. Their captain Dinesh Karthik hasn't had a good year last time around, this captaincy and with the bat. This year he will be trying to make it worth and prove that he is the best captain KKR can ever have. Sunil Narayan, another big Indian and Caribbean who has been instrumental in their success. In the recently concluded CPL, he's been in instrumental form and will look to shape up KKR. 14.5 crore, yes, the amount that Pat Cummins will get in this IPL. Highest bided player, Pat Cummins is playing for KKR and have a lot of responsibilities on his shoulders this year. Eoin Morgan is the ex-KKR team man who's been called back to the team, and he will be another instrumental man. Looking at his current form in national cricket, Morgan is on his highest point in career. Had a bad IPL last year, Kuldeep Yadav, but this year he is going to prove everyone wrong, and that is going to be an instrumental point for him. Another big youngster for KKR is Shubman Gill. Gill was very good and promising last year and will be trying to repeat his heroics this year, because this IPL can get him a chance to the Indian team. Tom Banton is another great buy for KKR, but it will be worth a while to see that whether he will be featuring in the top 11, because the KKR squad is compact and full of superstars. So guys, talking about the squad, let's see the best playing 11 for the Kolkata Knight Riders. The openers are obviously Sunil Narayan and Gill. With Lynn gone to Mumbai Indians, Gill will have an equal responsibility and an important shaping up in his run. Middle order comprises of Nitish Rana, Eoin Morgan, the big hit in Dreras, and Karthik. Dreras will be the key man here who can change the complexion of the game at any point of time. A lower middle order will only comprise of Rinku Singh, because the all-rounders we've already mentioned are going to be obviously Sunil Narayan and Andre Russell, who are good at the top order. Spinner for them, the lone main spinner for them would be Sunil Narayan, but with him would be Kuldeep Yadav. Kuldeep, with his Chinaman left-arm bowling, will be very instrumental and key in the pitches of UAE. Three pacers for the KKR would be Pat Cummins. Cummins is going to lead the pack, will be followed by Prashant Krishna, who has had a good time with them, and Sandeep Moria, who was a very good buy last year for them and showed quite good complexions. So will the Knights buy at the auction be productive, or will it be another disappointing finish for them? Let us know your views on this point, and thank you so much for watching our videos, liking them. Please stay tuned to us for more and more such videos. We will be providing you with the analysis of all the other four teams as fast as possible. Till then, stay safe, stay home, goodbye, thank you everyone.